Still cutting. I'm almost done back here. It's a very nice cut, by the way. I'll bring it here, and I'll bring it here. Now, that's where I'm at now, okay? The button's looking real good. Now the next part is what I'd call finishing, okay? Finishing the button. That's a little different. First step is to do this, and much of my finishing will be done kind of by hand. It's just the way I do it. Now I'm going to go to hand cutting. I don't know, I just kind of like to do this. So I take a piece here, and I'm going to just shape it a little bit by hand. I have a lot more control. And then this is a good time to feel the button. You know, is it the way I want it? Yeah, is that curvature correct? It is. I got to get a little bit of edge off here. So for this very minute type stuff, I'd rather hold something in my hand than to be using the big machine. It's just what I prefer. You know, everybody's different. This is the method I use. Somebody else might say, I'm not going to cut by hand with a lathe. But you can. I can get a much smoother shaping here if I'll come in and do it by hand. Okay. Now, am I totally satisfied with that shoulder? Will that be comfy to him and play? And the answer is yes. Okay, now we're going to switch gears and we're going to go into sandpaper as we finish this thing up. And I want, let me see here, what do I want? Let's see here. This and this and this. Go downstairs and get another sandpaper. It's not the one I want. I'll be right back.